Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Mathematics, and this is class 4 book. We are going to do maths from class 4. And another thing I want to clear up is I have done a small, it's a bit say mistake in previous video what I'm going to now tell you, and where I was actually talking about the perimeter of um, square. On the time I said it is side into side, right? But this one is actually, this one was wrong on that instant, and if I figure out was while I was actually watching the video on the time, this is not the formula for perimeter, this is a formula for another thing, and the formula for perimeter is 4 into side, so that the unit doesn't get changed. Now this is the thing you are supposed to carry on. 4 into side for perimeters, formula for square. Okay, that is all. And now we are going to start our actual one, which is actually area. We are going to talk about the area today. What is area? Okay, why we are actually talking about any surface, suppose this book surface, okay, surface of any object, that is the area of object. Okay, from this here, this is the width and this is the length. The longest part is length and the shortest part is width, called, or you can also call it breadth. Okay, so we have to just to find out the area, we have to multiply that width into the length. Okay, so this is how you are going to find out the area of any object. Sometimes the objects are like cylinder type, there are different formulas for those, and you are going to know when you are going to go for the upper class, so don't worry about it for now. Just look at the picture. Okay, this one is a square and that one is a rectangle. Either they are actually equal or not. How to find out? Or they are smaller one or larger one, doesn't, you know by just watching the picture, doesn't, you cannot say for sure that they are equal or not. Okay, so how to find out the which one is the larger one and which one is the smaller one? Here they have the overlapping picture, and here the extra part of the um, rectangle, and this is the extra part of the, what should I say, square. And you can see after overlapping, the square part is actually bigger than the rectangle, so it is done that actually square one is the greater than the rectangle. Okay, how to actually find out? By doing math, we are going to do that. But before than that, we are going to also just check out our uh, book. Okay, when we actually find out the area on that time, what we do, we actually already, I have told you that we actually multiply, right, side into side. The square, that one is a 1 centimeter, that one is a 1 centimeter, and that one is a 1 centimeter. Basically, practically it is a square which side is 1 centimeter, and when we multiply side into side, which one I already told you that that is a formula of area of square. And I can see that is a 1 centimeter square or square centimeter. Okay, that thing, the small 2 on the top of centimeter is called square. So while we are actually doing this kind of math, we say square centimeter or centimeter square. I keep telling that centimeter square because it makes me feel a little bit, what should I say? I'm habituated. So now let's see that how we are going to find out that one. Okay, we can say 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters. 5 into 5, side into side. Which one is 5 into 5? 25 centimeter square. Okay, and that one is, I already told you or not, but now I'm going to tell you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 centimeter over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 centimeter over there. As I told you that the square is formula of square is actually side into side. You'll get a good idea about that. We are also going to multiply that side with the long side. So 6 into 4, which makes 24. Okay, 24. So let's write it here. 25 for this one, and B is having, area of B is having how many? Let's count the number also. If you want, you can count it like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. See, 24. Okay, this is the actually logical explanation. Even area is 24, so 24 is smaller than 25. You got the answer. That one's area is smaller than the square area. And this is the fun part actually, how to find out the area of the given shape. You can just do one thing, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 centimeters square, right? 1 2 3 4 4 centimeters square. Like this, everything you can count. Now, how to do that one? Okay, this one is a trapezium, look like trapezium, which one you are going to get in class 5. For now, just I'm just taking that part and taking it over there so that you can see they are looking similar. So it will be full one, 1 2 3 4 5 centimeters square, and that one again you can take that part and put it over here. As you can see, they are similar, and that part over there. So now if anyone asks you to find out the draw different shape of 8 centimeters square, you can go ahead and help yourself with a color pen. Especially I will ask you to use pencil, color pencil. That would do better on your book. Okay, it will be go easier on your book. So go ahead and help yourself, fill it up with colorful pictures. Inshallah, when we will see each other, I will see the pictures even. By this time, maybe you got already a good clear idea about that. We are actually multiplying one side alone with the another side. But when we actually talk about square, we say side into side because all the sides are equal. But when we are talking about the rectangle, we multiply that side into that side, but you can say they are different, as this one is the length, longest one, that one is the shortest one. So we say length into width or width. So you can say that the area of rectangle is length into width, and the area of square is side into side. Okay, so I have already told you and showed you they are actually pretty much simple and easy, and also make sense. Okay, they are making sense. I hope so you understand. Now I am going to do that one, the white one from page 131, which one is actually given a rectangle of 21 centimeter long and 15 centimeter. We have to find out the area by using the formula. How I have done this one, and there are given two number is a square with a 10 centimeter side. You know that the sides are equal, so we don't have all of the sides. We just need to know one side for the square, and this one we are going to do like that. You can see at first we are going to do what? We are going to write down the given that the information, always try to write down the information, because it is actually a good way to start your math. Length this much and width this much. Now the area, or you can say also we know the area, formula of area, length into width. Now multiply that one and that one. I am writing the centimeter and centimeter along with the measurement. Please don't forget to write them, because it is actually logical. Centimeter into centimeter, it makes centimeter square. Okay, if you do not write, then I'm not going to give you mark. I'm going to cut your mark, because I want you to be perfect. Don't forget that part. Okay, now I have multiplied that one over here, so you can see that I have find out the answer. And for this one, you can see that side, I write down given that side 10 centimeter, area equal to side into side, 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter, which 10 tens are 100 centimeter square. Don't forget to write down the centimeter square. Now I'm going to show you one thing. Don't forget that the centimeter, if you write it like this is the wrong way to write down here. So you are going to cut down this one. I'm going to cut down that one, or any teacher will going to cut down that one. Centimeter basically this, and here you want to put the square the topmost part. You can see if you put the borderline like this on the time, we are actually marking the topmost corner of M. See, not on the top of M, but not also on M, is actually not even touching it. Okay, this just on right side of M, but top corner, right top corner of M. Okay, this is the way to write on that one. So don't forget, and be, keep practicing so that you understand how to write it. Now I want to talk about that white 2, which is actually they didn't give us any side, they gave us only length and also the area. So how to do that one? I would prefer to watch this part of the video after watching the whole video again, because you will get much more information after watching the video. After that, if you watch that one, then it would do definitely good for you. Now you can see I have write down the area and the length. Okay, this part of the equation, we know the formula we have written down, I have written down over here, is length into width, length into width. Now which part is unknown? The width part is unknown, so we have to fix it alone and take the length on the other side. The length was, remember that this is another rule. Okay, length will be coming on the another side, but in it was as multiplication condition, or you can say, like, if you think like that, it's a numerator and that is a denominator, and if you change the side, then it will become a denominator, and area was already on that side, so it will be on the top, and the length is a denominator, so it will come down right after area. Okay, something like that. You'll get to know more about this on class 5, so don't worry, just follow that. If you want that, you want to skip that part, if you didn't understand it, then you can memorize that part. Width equal to area divided by length, or length equal to area divided by width for this class 4. But for your class, for class 5, you have to understand that part, then you will go for this, because there will be different formula you are going to apply to. So just wait and learn this one. Okay, then you can see I have write down 56 and centimeter square and 8 centimeter. Now what you are going to do is you are going to cut down the 56 with 8. I didn't write down 1 over here, I should write down 1 over here. Okay, 8 ones are 8 and 7 8s are 56. So 7 by 1, which one we will write down? 7 centimeter. Okay, you can see, if you are actually a little bit curious about that part, I can show you. Basically, centimeter into centimeter was multiplying 2 centimeter together, like centimeter into centimeter is actually centimeter square, and when we are actually dividing them, we can cut down 1 centimeter, so that the centimeter is left, not the square centimeter, only that part is left over here, because we can cut down the another one, this 2. Okay, this is why it is centimeter only, not centimeter square. Now this one is already done in your book, which one I am not going to show, but definitely I hope that you understand that part. And this one also you can do. This one, a football field is rectangular shape, and the length of the longer side is 100 meter and the width is 70 meter. How to do that? I'm just going to show you, because already you get a pretty good idea about how to find out the area. You can see that I have write down the information over here. Now area equal to length into width. 7 ones are 7 and 1 2 3, so 3 zeros. You can see I have already write down by separating the 0. It is the easiest way, by skipping the 2-stair multiplication. Just multiply the front numbers and count the 0 and put it beside the number, and meter into meter, meter square. So area of the field is 7,000 meter square. Okay, the another one they said us is so phone number is the same one. I'm not going to do that one. You can do it by yourself. The 5 number, find out the area of the square piece land, which is actually 10 kilometer side. Okay, which is having 10 kilometer side. How to do that one? Again, the side this much is given. Now we have write down the formula over here. 10 into 10, kilometer into kilometer. 10 into 10, 100, and kilometer into kilometer is kilometer square. So the area of the land is 100 kilometer. I hope that you got the pretty good idea now, because this is actually a most tiniest part of the area, finding our area. There are different area you are going to find out. Only for class 4 you are going to work on rectangle and square. So it's easy, right? The exercise 1 I am going to talk about is they gave you 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Now you are just going to write down the given that length equal to 4 centimeter, width equal to 2 centimeter, and then the area equal to length into width. So all of them are, and this one is side into side. Okay, all of them you can find it out, but never forget to write down the information and the answer. Don't forget. And this one exactly like that one, that one I have showed you. So you can write down same as y2, which one I have showed. Okay, you can find it out very easily. Don't worry about it. Now I am to talk about the 3 I'm going to talk about later. I'm going to talk about the area of a surface of a desk. Definitely it will be flower bed and town. If you are talking about the town, then we will go with kilometer, because actually we measure the area with kilometer. Okay, area of a village or country, and dex definitely centimeter, and the flower bed, which is actually a little bit longer, so we will go with meter. Okay, so this is the way. And if anyone talk about area of, let me show you your book, on that time we will go for centimeter. If anyone asks you to find out the area of what should I say, I don't have any any more surface except the book right now. If you have your new eraser or this part, okay, we will go for centimeter. New eraser, definitely not the round shape one, the full new one. On the time you'll go for centimeter, definitely. Okay, I hope you understand. Now this 3 number, you can see there is a little bit twist in it, right? Blackboard with 5 meter long length and 80 centimeter width. Now oops, there is a problem. What is the problem? They gave meter and centimeter together, but we were doing math, that we need to convert meter into centimeter to adding them, or doing any kind of math. So here also you need to convert the meter into centimeter. Never ever forget that part. Okay, so I have done this one also, 150 centimeter and 2 meters. So you need to convert it. How to convert it, I am going to show you, don't worry. And this kilometer into meter, so that you can do this 2 maths by yourself. You can see I have write down the length 5. For meter we are actually oops, I have done little mistake over here. Where was my head when I was doing math? Now I did another mistake. The line was perfect, the arrow sign was wrong. Arrow sign was supposed to be from meter to centimeter we are going. Rest of them were okay. Now you can see For meter, we are actually from meter to centimeter, 3 digit, we are going down multiplication. So you can see the unit got changed and multiplying. You know the rest of the thing, I hope, if you practicing from the previous link. So please, if you didn't saw that, please go back. Didn't see that, go back and watch it for several times if it is needed, then come back and do this kind of math. Okay, we got the length converted into centimeter and width converted. Now we can do the math. Other than this, meter and centimeter, you cannot multiply, you cannot add them, you cannot divide them, never ever ever. Okay, different kind of unit, no, no maths going to, no, you are not going to go anywhere. Now you can see the same way multiplication. 4 is 40. After 40 there will be 1 2 3 3 zeros, you can see. So this is the answer. So this is the all for today. I'm happy that I could actually complete that one in one video, and another chapter is left. Inshallah we will do that also.